each chapter, Mr. Bear will tell you a story about one of... Come on, we must be late. Keep together, kids. Don't get lost. It's going to be a busy day. Ready? Yes, sir. Come on, let's go, Cap. Come on.
What's going on?
Perhaps you'll talk about us.
The bear stories are always so interesting. Interesting like us.
Where is he? I don't see
I
him.
bet he stopped to eat some honey in the bees chapter. We all know how greedy he is.
I want the kids to learn about predators. He's coming.
Quit that jumping!
I see it all here. Well, today the great book of nature is open at another chapter. I'm going to tell you a story about a group of rabbits.
Once upon a time, a group of rabbits and a group of bears lived across a river from each other on two fertile hills.
The rabbits are coming to plant the saplings. We're off to work today, hey hey. We're off to work today, hey hey. We're off to plant the trees, hey hey. We're off to plant the trees, hey hey. We're off to till the earth, hey hey. We're off to till the earth, hey hey. We're off to make things grow, hey hey. We're off to make things grow, hey hey. La 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 la. We're off to work today, hey hey. We're off to work today, hey hey. We're off to plant the trees, hey hey. We're off to plant the trees, hey hey. We're off to work today, hey hey. We're off to work today, hey hey. We're off to plant the trees, hey hey. We're off to plant the trees, hey hey. We're off to till the earth, hey hey. We're off to till the earth.
I'm cold, big brother.
We're off to make things grow,
Hey,
hey hey.
give that blanket back to your little brother.
We're off to work today, hey hey. We're off
When are
to
you
work
gonna
today,
fix the
hey, hey. We're off
window?
to
Fix
plant
it yourself.
the trees, hey hey. We're off to plant the trees, hey hey. We're off to till the earth, hey hey. We're off to till the earth, hey hey. We're off to make things
What's all this racket out here? Going on for days on end now. When are we gonna finally get some peace around this place? Well, let's see if I can get back to sleep.
This rain gonna change everything around here.
That's incredible.
Look, there's our little pal in the room with her friend Baby Bear.
That's great. I'm going to go tell Baby Bear. Hop, 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 hop. Hey, Baby Bear, wake up. Oh, it's you. What are you doing here? There's something I just... Shh. Keep it down. I want to show you what our hill is going to be like. Your hill? What about your hill? Come on. Wait. Don't wake up my big brother. I want you to see our plan for the hill. Okay. Shh. Look at that.
Hi there, Baby Bear.
Wow, it's beautiful. It's fabulous. How can we bears do this to our hill?
Well, that's easy. All you have to do is plant some trees. We've got some saplings you can have. Won't take much.
That's great.
With just a little work, your hill could be a paradise
I don't
too.
think we're going to see any bears planting trees. They hate work. All they do is
You'll
sleep.
see. Let's take some saplings to the bears. Let's go.
Come on. Okay, here we go. We're off to see the bears, hey, hey. We're off to see the
What's all that noise? What are they doing here? Hey, knock off that racket, will ya? What the dickens gotten into you?
We're bringing you some saplings so you can plant them.
What are you talking about? I don't want to plant any trees. Besides, those are toothpicks. Look at the beautiful trees I already have. Listen, you know what I'm gonna do? I'll give you one.
What are you doing? Leave that tree where it is. What are you trying to do?
Come on, boys, let's give them some real trees.
You ruined our wall. What's the matter with you?
That's because the stones are too small. Here, take this one.
Come on, use your head. You might hit the tree.
That's right.
You hurt yourself trying to throw that big rock.
Big brother, don't do
Take that.
Oh, no, the bird's eggs are falling. Watch out, baby bear. Oh,
It's all
no.
your fault, buddy. Give them to me.
We just wanted to give us some saplings.
Our fault.
Yeah, because we don't need these saplings.
Where are you going to get your fruit? Look at all the trees you've ruined.
That's our business. Now go away. Get out of here.
We're going.
Those stupid bears! Now we don't have anywhere to live! Let's get out of here! Why don't we go over to the other where? We can go up here and turn around! Let's go!
Look, all the birds are flying away. They don't want to live
Well,
here
we're
anymore.
better off that way. I never could sleep in peace with them around anyhow.
There.
Here they come!
Glad you like them. Made them just for you. If we plant some more trees, this will be an enchanting place for everybody.
Like the water plants, hey, hey. We like the water plants, hey, hey. Oh, what a wonderful day, hey, hey. Oh, what a wonderful day, hey, hey. Going faster! Look at the flowers and the colors! Look at the cherries!
That should do it. This will keep all the bugs away from our trees.
We can't stay here any longer. They're going to kill us all. We can't live like this. Let's go to the bear hill.
Two, three. How do I get him? Oh!
This is a great place. Eat to your heart's content. There's plenty for all of us.
I'm hungry.
Isn't the fruit ripe yet?
Not really. But the bugs are eating it all.
Ah, cut out your sniveling. Bugs can't possibly eat all the fruit. When it's ripe, we'll get to eat what's left.
Yeah, but I'm hungry now.
Lie down and go to sleep. Then we'll see what happens.
such a lovely day. Gorgeous. Quite right, too. Nothing like a nice hot cup of tea. I got a cup of tea.
Hey there,
Go on, eat him some.
Thanks. I won't be long. Baby bear! Oh, Pinky! What a wonderful surprise! I'm so happy to see you. I brought you something to eat. They're made with our own fruit. Oh, boy, thank you. Come in and say hello. I'm sorry, I can't. We're celebrating the harvest. Stop by if you want to. Bye. Bye. Look, I've got some goodies for us.
Let's see.
Now, we each get 3.
Oh, boy. Whoa, that's good. So buttery and sweet.
Hey, you ever taste a moon cookie?
What?
Here, let me show you. I'll show you how to make one. Now, you know how the moon is round, right? Round just like this when the moon is full. But day after day, it gets smaller and smaller. Until just before you know it, it's half a moon like this. After a few days, it looks just like a little sliver.
Yeah, you're right. Now it looks just like a new
And
moon.
you know what? After a few more days, the moon disappears completely. Just
Ow!
like this.
Oh. Give me my cookie back.
That was good. Where'd you get those?
Pinky gave them to me.
The rabbits made them. Well, that explains why I got heartburn now.
She brought me some cherries, too.
Are their cherries ripe already?
The rabbits are having a party, and they invited me to come.
The rabbits are having a party and sending us fruit and cookies. They're just showing off, that's all. Well, we got fruit too. Come on, boys, let's go picking. How come we have less fruit every year?
Look, over there.
Oh, boy. There's lots of fruit up on these trees.
Hey, why are you doing it the hard way? Come on down. I'll show you how to do it.
Look, over there.
Shake it harder. You can do it. That's the way.
What are you doing? You're gonna ruin that tree if you do that. Stop it this instant, or we won't give you any more fruit.
Mind your own business. We'll do what we like on our hill. You see?
No!
Why not?
Can't just destroy the tree.
Go to work, boys.
Yeah, me too.
What are you doing with all those empty baskets? Go away!
You see how easy it is to get something to eat? You don't have to work as hard as all of you.
You don't realize what you're doing. Nature's gonna punish you for your stupidity, you'll see.
You're just jealous. Come on, you guys, let's eat.
Get your fill, boys. Yeah, you couldn't want it any riper than this. Oh, this is the life. You fill your belly without doing a stitch of work and then lie down for a nice long nap. Here, dig in.
There's a worm inside.
Yeah, these are no good.
I'm hungry.
That's perfect. It's just what the trees need. This is more than just a little rain. Oh, get back to the house! Let's run for it! Grab my hand! Hold on tight!
Washed away, washed away!
Roll the roll!
Oh, thank goodness you're all safe and sound.
Where's Baby Bear?
Oh, none of us were looking after him. It's all our fault if he's dead. Baby Bear, where are you? There he is.
I'm over here! Help! Big brother! Help!
Oh, no!
Throw him the rope!
Oh! Wait!
Oh, you're alive.
The tree the rabbits planted saved me.
Look at that. The rabbit side of the river didn't suffer any damage at all. But ours is completely destroyed. You can't even see where our house was.
Are you surprised? You don't have any more trees to hold the soil with their roots.
You've lost everything because of your thoughtless behavior. Because you've been inconsiderate and selfish.
Instead of destroying your trees, you gotta learn to love and take care of them like you love and take care of your little brother.
You're right, of course. If I'd planted new trees and taken care of the old ones, this wouldn't happen. We're gonna follow your example and make our hill as beautiful and safe as yours.
So the bears put their backs into it. And after weeks of hard work, they began to see the fruits of their labor. In the end, the Bears' Hill was just as beautiful as the rabbits, and the two communities lived happily together ever after.
The rabbit. How is the rabbit classified in the animal kingdom? The rabbit belongs to the order of the Legomorpha and the family of the Leporidae. It has a soft, thick coat in various colors. Its sense of smell and hearing are excellent, and it has very good sight. How many species are there, and where do they live? There are several species in the Leporidae family, but the most important are the hare, the wild rabbit, and the domestic rabbit. The rabbit came originally from Central and Southern Europe, but it's now found all over the world. In Australia and New Zealand, the rabbit population is so large, it's considered a problem. How do they live? Rabbits prefer sandy ground in wooded areas. They live in large colonies and dig deep burrows made up of a complex network of galleries. How do they move? Rabbits move in a series of quick hops. When chased, they run in a zigzag fashion. What do they eat? The rabbit's staple diet is grass, but they also enjoy nibbling bark and fruit. How do they protect themselves? The rabbit's main defense tactic is making a quick retreat, and the complex design of its burrow should not be underestimated. It's very hard to attack from outside, and therefore offers the rabbit a safe haven. How do they relate to people? Rabbits have always been raised for their excellent white meat and their fur. The wild rabbit is considered a pest by farmers since it eats the bark of young trees and can seriously damage crops. Can they live in the city? A few species of dwarf rabbit have been bred, which can be kept in apartments in the city. The wild rabbit, on the other hand, always avoids built-up areas.
Well, have you all learned a lesson? The moral of the story is that if you don't respect nature and the environment, you'll live to regret it. Oh, look who's coming!